Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am doing great. I am doing wonderful. I hope you are all doing amazing. Let me welcome you to my 2023 World Tour. This year, I decided to embark on a trip through Europe to East Africa. And my first stop is in the city of Brussels, the beautiful city of Brussels here in Belgium. So I landed from the flight this morning and I am on the train. As you can see, I am on the train. I'm going to central Brussels. So I'm riding the train this morning. There's a beautiful trip from the airport and I'm making my way to central Brussels where I am just going to explore to see how beautiful central Brussels is. So I'm taking you along with me. Come with me as we go through the city center of Brussels. Basically, what we are going to be seeing here will be the city center, some shopping centers, and just anything and everything that I can recall along the way. This train ride has been amazing, so come with me here. I will show you again what Central Brussels look like. So here is the train station, the main train station here in Brussels Central. And this is where you will get your train to the airport and other parts of Brussels. Brussels this morning is very cold, as you can see. It is not snowing, but it's pretty cold here today. So I'm trying to figure out how to get around. I do not really know my way out here. But here is central Brussels. Here in this area, you find people from everywhere. There are a lot of shopping centers here. It is pretty cold today, so there are just few people out here moving around, taking pictures, doing video recording like myself. I am going to be in Brussels for just a day, and then I'll be moving over to East Africa. Meaning my most of my time will be spent in East Africa. But I'm stopping here briefly just to show you what Brussels looked like December of 2023. If you have been out here, just let me know if you know anything about this area. But this is what is called Central Brussels area. Here you see a lot of historic buildings. You see a lot of administrative buildings. You see a lot of monuments and a lot of people come out here to take pictures, um, and they're usually passing through. Some people are here on tours, and I'm here just passing through. But this is beautiful, y'all. This is really beautiful. This is Brussels. Welcome to Brussels, Europe. Yeah, it's beautiful. I hope you like it. I hope you like what you've seen. If you have not make it out here, hopefully you can find time to come out here. It's beautiful. Except that I'm here the wrong time. It is in December, the end of December, and it's very cold. The temperature here today is about 31 degree Fahrenheit. So it's pretty cold for me. I mean, it's okay for other people, but yeah, you can see a lot of people out here taking pictures, walking about, seeing some beautiful sights here. Like I said, from here, I will be making my way to East Africa. So I am looking forward to warm weather. I'm looking forward to warm weather, to great food, to just wonderful atmosphere, meeting friends, meeting new people. So yeah, I got to meet some good friends here. Out, they are here from Brussels, and these guys were very curious. They saw my camera and they were very curious. They wanted to know exactly what I was doing out here and they wanted to know my YouTube channel information, and I was able to share that with them. They are from a city nearby. They are not from Brussels, according to them, but they were here visiting as well. So I did share my information with them. And right there, they were able to follow me on YouTube. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube, please do so. What I'm going to be doing is I am showing you places that I will be traveling to. I love to travel. If you been following me for a long time, you probably will know this by now. I love to travel. And what I intend to do is that wherever I travel to, I want to bring you live recording from places that I'm traveling to so you can see exactly where I have been and how those places look like. And hopefully that will also encourage you to travel. What I do basically is that I plan about two major trips in a year. Uh, in the summer, so the middle of the year, and during the winter, which is the end of the year. So usually around May, June, I take my first trip, and December I take my last trip. So this December, I am taking a trip here through Brussels. I will be going to East Africa, mainly to Rwanda, to DRC, to Burundi, to Uganda, and possibly to Tanzania. And then on my way back, I will make a stop, a very short stop to London, United Kingdom. So I should be covering about 5 to 6 countries on this trip. And Belgium is the first country that I'm stopping at. And currently, as you can see, I am walking through the city of Brussels. I'm in central Brussels, just enjoying myself, enjoying this place. Nothing much that I can do here today. Is very cold, but for the fact that I can come out here and show you some things, some places that you may be interested visiting. Yeah, that's really what I wanted to do. Just come out here and show you what this place look like. Some of you that have traveled to Brussels, live in Brussels, you may know the names of these places. You can tell us more in the comment section what this place is, what can be done here. If there are shopping centers around here, you will recommend. If there are nearby places, you will recommend where people can stay, restaurants you will recommend, so that people that may be coming here will know exactly what to expect. Again, this is just a very short video showing you what Central Brussels look like today. Today, I mean 2023, December. When I came up here, I see this guy playing his music. He's out here playing music. But I was surprised. I thought this guy was going to hand him some cash. He did not hand him cash. Instead, he handed him a cigarette. He gave this guy a cigarette. Maybe that is not so strange here in Europe. I mean, it was cold, so maybe the guy playing the music probably needs some cigarette to stay warm. But I thought he was going to hand him some cash. But surprisingly, he gave him some cigarette. So then, of course, I made my way up. I continued to make my way up. The view from up here is beautiful. From up here, you get to look down and see almost all of central Brussels. You find a lot of people here. Like I said earlier, there are people here that come on tours just to see here. So when I came here, I met this group here. They were on tour. They were discussing. The tour guide was telling them exactly about the city and what this place means and the history behind this place. So I listened in a little bit, but I was mostly interested in recording my videos and just sharing the videos with you. This is Central Brussels. Again, this is beautiful. This is really nice. This is, I something that I expected to see. Obviously, this Brussels is beautiful. There is a lot of history behind Brussels. Brussels is in Europe. If you do not know, Brussels is in the country of Belgium, and Belgium is in Europe. And this gives you a Europe vibe. This gives you a Europe vibe. Big, tall, older buildings that has a lot of history behind them. So up here, you get to look down and see the beautiful green garden in the middle of this central Brussels area. There's a beautiful green garden. Past the garden while coming up, but you can see it down there. The beautiful green garden is showing down there. It's nice. And then, of course, the beautiful pictures on the walls of these buildings. I'm sure they have a lot of significance or some great meanings behind them. But yeah, this is Brussels Central, or what I would call Central Brussels. You find people just taking pictures. This day again, it was very cold. We are in December. I did not get to stay, much here. I was very cold. I did not bring a huge jacket with me. I just had a little sweaters on. So I was feeling cold. But yeah, again, this is Brussels. Welcome, welcome. I want to thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. There are a lot of videos coming up. Like I told you, I am on my tour, 2023 tours. And this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Brussels is the beginning. You will see videos from Brussels. There will be one more video coming out of Brussels, and then you will see videos coming, tons of videos coming out of Uganda, tons of video coming out of Rwanda, tons of videos coming, everywhere that I will be traveling to, you will be seeing videos. I just want to show you how these places look like today, 2023 December. So yeah, I'm making my way down back to the train station. I came on the train, as you saw from the beginning of the video. I came on the train from the airport. I got on the train from the airport, and the train from the airport brought me to central Brussels. So here I am making my way back to the train station. The train station is in the middle of the city. In fact, throughout the city of Brussels, you find a lot of stops. There are train stations pretty much everywhere on this ground. There are train stations running throughout the city of Brussels on a ground train stations. So it's very easy for folks to get transportation. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for everything. Thank you so much for supporting.